What if I told you there's a trading indicator with a 95% win rate? 95%. It's a claim so high it's basically cheating. So we put it to the ultimate test. We found the indicator combo behind the hype and ran it through 100 trades to see if it's the key to unlimited profits. Or just another scam. Stick around, because the results are not what you think. So what is this magic combo? It's a two-part strategy, the super trend and the QQE mod. First, the super trend paints the trend on your chart. Green line means uptrend, red line means downtrend. The hyped settings are an ATR period of 10 and a multiplier of 1.3 to make it super fast. Second, the QQE MOD confirms momentum. Blue or green bars signal bullish power. Red or orange means bearish momentum is in control. The rules are simple. For a buy signal, the super trend must be green. Price has to pull back and touch the line, and the QQE needs to print a new blue or green bar. For sells, it's the opposite. Super trend is red, price touches the line, and the QQE prints a new red bar. It looks perfect on paper, but how does it hold up in a real test? Alright, this is the moment of truth. We're on the EUR USD 15-minute chart. I'm taking 100 trades in a row, following the rules perfectly, risking $1 to make $1.50 on every trade. At first, this felt like a money printing machine, hitting 3, 4, even 5 wins in a row. But then, the market would go sideways, and in those choppy conditions, the strategy got destroyed. The super trend would flip-flop, giving buy signals at the top and sell signals at the bottom. It was a nightmare of tiny losses. So, after logging all 100 trades, what was the final score? We finished with 63 winning trades and 37 losing trades. So, did it hit the 95% win rate? Not even close. Our test produced a 63% win rate. Now don't get me wrong, winning over 6 out of 10 trades is incredibly good. A strategy like this can be very profitable. But it's nowhere near the 95% promise. And this reveals the biggest secret in trading. Win rate means nothing by itself. You could have a 90% win rate and still lose money. Imagine you win 9 trades and make $10 each. You're up $90. But on that one losing trade, you lose $100. Despite winning 90% of the time, you just lost money. That is the hidden trap. These high win rate systems often use tiny profit targets and huge stop losses, where one loss wipes out a dozen wins. The real money is made when your winning trades are significantly bigger than your losing trades. What do you think? Have you ever fallen for the hype of a holy grail indicator? Drop your story in the comments below. So, is this strategy garbage? No. A 63% win rate is a real edge. The key is to be smart. First, always backtest. These results were on EUR USD. It might fail completely on gold or a different time frame. You must test it on the market you trade. Second, risk management is everything. You will have losses. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade, and always use a stop loss. Third, understand the market context. This is a trend-following strategy. If the market is choppy and going sideways, don't trade it. This one tip will save you from most of the losses. The idea of a 95% win rate indicator is a marketing lie. The hunt for a perfect system will only lead you to blowing up your account. The real cheat code isn't a secret indicator. It's discipline. It's using a simple strategy with a proven edge, like this one, and combining it with God-tier risk management. A small statistical edge is all you need to win, as long as you have the discipline to follow your plan. If you found this no BS breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest trading challenges. Thanks for watching, and trade smart. Click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button.